What's going on, guys? Kyle from Xclusive Autoworks here with another large project. A dedicated customer of ours had come in with a brand new Acura Integra Type S. What we are going to be doing for this is we are going to be doing full nose PPF, the roof, as well as the rear bumper. It's also getting CQUARTZ, CQUARTZ Finest Reserve on all the paint, the wheels, the brakes, the calipers. We're doing GeoShield ceramic tints all around this, so what this guy is getting is quite literally leaving nothing to be desired. So what we've done so far is we've taken apart the hood vent. We've obviously prepped the car. We've done the full wash, all that. And we just started laying the PPF down on the hood. So we're going to continue with the PPF, and then we're going to get started with the rest of the coating. And just like that, we're done with our project here with the Integra. We've got the full nose PPF. We've got CQUARTZ on all of the painted panels, as well as CQUARTZ Finest Reserve. We've got CQUARTZ skin on all the PPF. We did the wheels, barrels, brake calipers, ceramic tint all around. We have literally done virtually everything you can do to this car to get him protected, make it easy to clean, and make it have that wet look that's gonna last for years to come. As well as the full nose PPF, we did the rear bumper, we did the roof as well. Those were worrisome points for him, so we got him hooked up with that. And all that's left now is to enjoy the car. So thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.